wonder what the weather's like. It's 10 degrees out, cloudy. I don't think the deer are moving too much, but time will tell. We'll see. The other side of that tree line, there's something moving over there. It's definitely a deer. I'm just checking out my decoy. Second to last day. I need something with antlers to come by. There it is again. It's just a doe. But around here where there's one, there's more. The doe's out in the open, coming to look at my decoy. Take a look. I'm gonna take a better look at her. She's closer. Definitely a doe, not a button buck. Hopefully she draws more out. Here she comes again. She's probably wondering, what is that funny looking deer out here with only one antler? She's calling my bluff, I think. Only got about an hour left. First thing with antlers, it's going in my freezer. I really want to get the spike buck. It's only a year and a half old. He'll have some nice tender meat. But the 8-pointer, if he's unlucky enough to be the first one I can see in my scope, yeah, I'll take him too. Yeah, I can only take one of them though. Just gotta wait. I'm hoping that deer, that doe, is in ripe estrus, because she peed like 3 times over there. That scent might draw some bucks in, but I don't know. Well, we got another doe out here. Coming out to check out my rather crazy one antler decoy. Looking at it, wondering where the genetics went wrong. Well, here we sit, still waiting for that buck. Here's another one. It's the buck I want. He's down. Good long shot. Nice young buck. That's exactly what I wanted. He went back in the trees. Well, time to suit up and go get him. Before it gets dark, too. Here in my 4-star luxurious hunting shack, I gotta put my shoes back on. Okay, so time to go find this rascal. What's nice about snow, it shouldn't be hard to track him. I got him pretty good, just above the heart and above the shoulder blade. Should be a nice, clean, double lung hit. So we'll go check it out. He's right where I wanted him to, because I got a little triangle down here where I have a shooting lane that's safe. Any pass-throughs go right into the ground. So let's go track this guy down. Looks like this dumb one antler decoy did the trick. Got him out of the tree line. Let's see if we got any blood. He went down hard and got up. Yep. Got some sign right there. Oh yeah, he's blown out. Look at that. All over the snow. Let's see where he's at. Oh man, there's blood everywhere. He didn't get very far. Yeah, there he is. Yeah, he went down. I got to go around this. He went through a little hole there. Yep. Good deal. Well within limit. 5 to 6 inch spiker. Up here it's a minimum of 3 inch, but nice yearling. There's gonna be a lot of meat right there.
still got a little movement in them, so I'm gonna go put the gun up and put my dummy away, and then come back out here and drag them out. All right, guys, she's field dressed. She's in the back of the truck. I'm taking her home. Gonna hang her up and finish the skin in there where I got a wood stove to keep me warm. But nothing for the record books. Just a little prong deer, but a nice fat one. So we're gonna have plenty of meat for quite a while. And if you're wondering why in the world I let an 8-pointer slide by me, well, he wasn't the first one to get in my scope. And with the cost of beef the way it is, I wouldn't even consider going for a trophy when meat is so expensive. So right now I'm pretty happy, and it's a young one, so the meat will be nice and tender, and probably a lot less gamey as well. So anyway, I don't know if this video is going to end right here or not, but on to the next project, skinning and hanging, and get it hanging for probably about a week to season a little bit. See you in a bit. And right there, my battery died. No more footage, but I got the deer completely skinned, beheaded, and he's hanging up in my back porch where the average temperature right now is around 40. I'll let him age up there for probably about a week, and let him tenderize a little bit, and then I'll process them up into probably mostly sausages and hot dogs. I'm gonna say the back straps and the tenderloins, but everything else is pretty much going to be turned into something that's a little more palatable to the rest of my family that's not accustomed to wild meat. So there'll be a little pork fat added in to some of those things. Otherwise, it was a good hunt. I'm pretty happy. I missed out last year, and we got some meat in the freezer. Hopefully the rest of you guys are out there got yours as well, and best of luck.